Alright guys, so today, starting off in Hopewell, but we are going to go to a bonfire today. A big bonfire. A big bonfire, bigger than the biggest one of the big before. We're gonna go last year, where we went last year, the big bonfire. And that guy needs to cut his grass. If anyone lives there, I don't know. But, in any case, we have a big bonfire that we're going to today, and we're going to do the whole entire day. I waited until like towards the middle of the day, right whenever I was heading up here. So, see you guys in a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it. Come here. Run.
Run.
See?
Oh.
Right here.
Oh, wow. He's got it all.
You're touching this? You're touching it.
Where?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah. Your name? You're touching that.
I'm touching it?
Yeah. No, don't.
What?
Oh, fire.
Yeah, it's a fire.
You're close now.
Get it close?
Yeah, see thing. Robot boss, milk that.
Well, you might want to hold off until the fire comes.
Yes.
Yeah, you might want to hold off until the fire comes, because, that's going to be for later on. When you see the big fire.
What's that name?
Yeah.
What's that name?
I don't know. Where's the sectional couch? He says there's a sectional couch somewhere.
You high in it?
Yeah, I see it. I see the couch.
You're close.
I don't want to get that close. It'll burn me.
You start your task. I'll hit that.
Oh, yeah?
You put your name. You say it?
I see it. I think so.
Yeah, go closer. Come here. You're close. That one, right here.
Yeah, I see that one.
Where you go? You see a face?
Yeah?
You're closer than face.
You're talking about inside?
I say I'm moving round.
Oh, yeah?
Don't touch that first.
It will. It will, but you gotta wait till later.
Doing this.
Yeah. We gotta wait till later, though.
You don't move that.
Yeah?
Hey,